This image looks completely normal to you. A cat. Simple. Obvious. But to AI, this is not a cat. It's just numbers. Thousands of numbers. And somehow, from just numbers, AI can tell what it's looking at. How? When humans see an image, we instantly recognize objects, colors, meaning. But AI doesn't see like us. It doesn't understand shapes. It doesn't understand context. Instead, it processes images in a completely different way. Let's break it down, step by step. To AI, every image is just a grid of pixels. Each pixel has values, representing color and intensity. For example, red, green, blue, RGB, each ranging from 0 to 255. So a simple image becomes a huge matrix of numbers. A 224 by 224 image? That's over 150,000 values. No meaning, just raw data. So how does AI make sense of this data? It starts simple. The first thing AI looks for is edges. Using small filters called kernels, it scans the image. These filters detect vertical edges, horizontal edges, contrasts. This process is called convolution. At this stage, AI still doesn't know what a cat is. It just knows there's a boundary here. Now comes the interesting part. These edge patterns are passed through multiple layers. Each layer learns something new. Early layers, edges, middle layers, textures, patterns, deep layers, complex shapes like eyes, ears. This structure is called a convolutional neural network, CNN. Instead of seeing the whole image, AI builds understanding step by step, like assembling a puzzle. Once features are extracted, the model asks, what does this pattern most likely represent? It compares learned features with what it has seen during training, then outputs probabilities. Cat to 92%, dog to 6%, other to 2%. It doesn't know it's a cat. Other, 2%. It doesn't know it's a cat. It just predicts based on patterns. Here's where it gets weird. If you slightly change an image, something humans won't even notice, AI can completely fail. A tiny noise, a few pixels changed, and suddenly, cat becomes dog. This is called an adversarial example because AI doesn't see meaning. It relies on patterns. Break the pattern. You break the prediction. Despite limitations, this technology is powerful. AI can detect diseases in medical scans, recognize faces, power self-driving cars, all using the same idea. Pixels to features to prediction. So next time you look at an image, remember, you see meaning. AI sees numbers. You see a story. AI sees patterns. And somehow, those patterns are enough to understand the world. Follow for more simple breakdowns of AI, because this is just the beginning. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Fact Tech Engineering, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and we'll see you in the next video.